I wanted to introduce you today to the Snowball block. It's a really versatile block and very simple to make. The quilt in front of me is one of Eleanor Burns' creations, and you can see the Snowball block here. It's a square block that's had the corners taken off. And in this version that Eleanor has done is we've got different colour placements, but the Snowball block is always matched with a 9 patch. In the quilt behind me, which takes a really straightforward 5-inch square, and we take the corners off in the same colour. The quilt behind me and that I'm going to work on today is going to be with children's fabrics, but just think how wonderful it would be for an adult with these gorgeous Japanese fabrics, which I picked up already pre-cut in nickel packs from my local quilt shop.